Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use and display a workflow in Labii. Today I'm going to use samples as an example. Let's get started by creating a sample. Once sample added, navigation to the detail on the sidebar. And now we can add a new section with the workflow widget by clicking the plus button. Search workflow. Select it and click submit. Now a new section with the workflow widget has been added. On default, it's empty. We need to select a workflow. Click submit. We can click the build workflow. As you see, the flowchart of workflow will be displayed. You can also click each box to mark it as a complete. Over here, you may notice the two workflows chained together. You have option to display only one workflow. Click the Edit button, and then unselect Should display related workflows. Click Submit, and then click the Build workflow again. That's it. Here, only one workflow is displayed. That's how you can display and use a workflow in a Labii. Please don't forget to subscribe.